straight up his nose doesn't get rid of the angry ants. The giraffe decides that a few thorny leaves aren't worth fighting for. When you need to eat for 20 hours a day, it's important to choose your battles.